3D IT. Today we will be talking about local area networking and topologies. First, we're going to start out with a couple of terms and definitions. A LAN, or local area network, is a computer network that interconnects computers with a limited area such as a residence, school, laboratory, university campus, or office building, and has its network equipment and interconnects locally managed. A topology is the arrangement of various elements, links, nodes, etc. of a computer network. Essentially, it is the topological structure of a network and may be depicted physically or logically. We will now discuss a bunch of different topologies and their pros and cons. First, we will discuss bus. In local area networks where bus topology is used, each node is connected to a single cable. By the help of interface connectors, this central cable is the backbone of the network and is known as the bus, thus the name. A signal from the source travels in both directions to all machines and is connected on the bus cable until it finds the intended recipient. If the machine's address does not match the intended addresses for the data, the machine ignores the data. Alternatively, if the data matches the machine's address, the data is accepted. Because the bus topology consists of only one wire, it is rather inexpensive to implement when compared to other topologies. However, the low cost of implementing the technology is offset by the high cost of managing the network. Additionally, because of only one cable is utilized, it can be a single point of failure. In this topology, data being transferred may be accessed by any workstation. We're now going to discuss star. In local area networks with a star topology, each network host is connected to a central hub with a point-to-point connection. So it can be said that every computer is indirectly connected to every other node. In star topology, every node, computer, workstation, or other peripheral is connected to a central node. It's called the hub, router, or switch. The switch is the server and the peripherals are the clients. The network does not necessarily have to resemble a star to be classified as a star network, but all the nodes on the network must be connected to one central device. A traffic that traverses the network passes through the central hub, and the hub acts as the signal repeater. The star topology is considered the easiest topology to design and implement. An advantage of the star topology is the simplicity of adding additional nodes. The primary disadvantages of the star topology is that the hub responds to a single point of failure. Since all peripheral communication must flow through the central hub, the aggregate central bandwidth forms a network bottleneck for large clusters. We will now discuss ring topologies. A ring topology is a bus topology in a closed loop. Data travels around the ring in one direction. When the node sends data to another, the data passes through an intermediate node on the ring until it reaches its destination. The intermediate nodes repeat or retransmit the data to keep the signal strong. Every node is a peer, therefore there is no hierarchical relationship of clients and servers. If one node is unable to retransmit the data, it severs communication between the nodes before and after it in the bus. The advantages of the ring topology is that when the load on the network increases, the performance is better than the bus topology, and there is no need of a network server to control the connectivity between workstations. The disadvantage, however, is that the aggregate network bandwidth is bottlenecked by the weakest link in the two nodes. We are now going to talk about mesh topologies. In a fully meshed network, each computer is connected to the other computers by a dedicated line. This makes it so that each computer can talk to each other independently, but is an expensive topology to implement. Thank you for watching the video today, and I hope that this video helped you understand the differences in topologies on local area networks.